Hello, my dear students. I am Subodh Maheshwari from India. I have been teaching English to adult students for the last 25 years through my classroom teaching. And for the last 5 years, I have been teaching English through Skype. I have got many students from different countries here, and I upload my videos on my YouTube channel for my students to learn English. So here I'm going to record that video, a new video for you. And here I would like you to know some of the tips to improve your spoken English. So what are these tips? I'm going to tell you here. The first thing is this, that your mother tongue or your regional language may be any language, but still what you have to do, start thinking in English only if you want to improve, because when you start thinking in English, you can come to know how English is spoken in a natural way. Like, suppose I give you here an example. So this is the tip. You have to think everything in English. So how that means, how you can do that, that I am going to tell you. You see, suppose you are sitting in a room in your house and you're looking through a window, right? So here in India, usually, what happens, the vegetable vendors are there in the streets, and they hawk and they sell vegetables. So I'm just looking at a vegetable vendor, and just I start thinking about that vegetable vendor. How? Just listen. Oh, I'm looking through the window of my house or my room, and I see a vegetable vendor is there. He's selling vegetable, he's hawking vegetable, and two of the ladies are there. They want to buy some vegetable from that vegetable vendor. But when they come close to that vegetable vendor, they come to know the quality of vegetable is not as good as it should be. So but as there is no other vegetable vendor around them, then they have to buy the vegetable from the same vegetable vendor. But I have to buy some vegetable today, but I'm not going to buy vegetable from the same vegetable vendor, because the quality of the vegetable with this vegetable vendor is not good. So I decide to go to vegetable market to bring some fresh vegetable for me and for my family. So like this is just, I'm thinking in English, right? Instead of thinking in your own language, in your own mother tongue, or in your own regional language, you must think in English only. This is the best tip. And if you have any problem while thinking in English, you must note it down, and you may consult with your teachers or with someone else who can help you to improve your English. So that was the first tip. And the second tip is also very, very important if you want to improve English. What is this that I am going to let you know here? Definitely in your free time, you watch television. You watch television programs or some debates, political debates or whatever. Try to translate their dialogues or the TV programs into English immediately. As two persons are talking to each other in a program, TV program, then you must translate them into English immediately. Similarly, if they are talking like, I won't leave you spare. Suppose मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं. I'm speaking in Hindi. मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं. I won't leave you spare. If you don't know how to translate the dialogues immediately in English, note them down. Again, consult with your teachers or with someone who can help you to improve your English, right? So these are the main two tips which may help you to improve your English. Definitely, if you follow these 2 tips seriously, I hope you can improve your spoken English. Right? Still, if you want to contact me, I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. Okay, so you may contact me related for any related problem. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. Okay, thanks for watching that video. Thank you. Keep learning. Thank you.